This 2015 Ford Transit cargo van is brought to you by Motors Trust. Visit Motors Trust online at www.motorstrust.com to see more pictures of this vehicle or call us at 305-603-8867 today to schedule your test drive. Visit Motors Trust online at www.motorstrust.com to see more pictures of this vehicle or call us at 305-603-8867 today to schedule your test drive. To see all of our inventory, www.motorstrust.com. All of our vehicles are clean titles. Financing is available for everyone. If you have bad credit, we can help. We have over 200 cars and trucks available for you to choose. The store is located on NW 27th Avenue near Hialeah. All prices are cash only. Prices financing may change price depending on customer credit. Come to see at Easy Finance available. Instant credit approval vehicles go through safety and quality inspections. Free Carfax available. No hassle equals no pressure. Establish or re-establish your credit. Your past will not haunt you here. We accept pay stubs, SSI, disability, unemployment, bank statements, award letters, job let. Visit us at motorstrust.com.